Ever wonder what goes into that can of deliciousness your dog devours? Let's dive behind the scenes of canned dog food production. It all begins with carefully selected raw ingredients, high-quality meats, grains, vitamins, and minerals, all sourced and inspected for freshness and safety. These ingredients are then precisely weighed and measured according to strict nutritional formulas, ensuring each can provide a balanced diet for your canine companion. Next, everything is combined in enormous industrial mixers. This thorough mixing ensures every bite contains the perfect blend of nutrients and flavor your dog craves. The mixture then moves to a cooking stage. This isn't just about making it palatable. It's a crucial step for safety and nutrient availability. Using specialized cooking equipment, the food is processed under controlled temperature and pressure. This gelatinizes starches, further melds flavors, and eliminates harmful bacteria. Now, the cooked food is expertly filled into cans on an automated line, ensuring each can is packed to the brim with goodness. The cans are then hermetically sealed, creating a vacuum that locks in freshness and prevents spoilage. This is a critical step. Sterilization. The sealed cans travel through a retort, a high-pressure, high-temperature sterilization process that guarantees the food is safe to eat and has a long shelf life, all without artificial preservatives. Throughout the entire process, rigorous quality control is paramount. Samples are taken at various stages for laboratory testing. This includes testing for nutritional accuracy, absence of contaminants, and overall product integrity, making sure every can meets the highest standards of safety and nutrition for your furry family member.